Hi guys, it's Tara Williams with eXp Realty, and today this beautiful lakefront property just came on the market. So I'm going to take you a tour around the property. Let's go. As you saw, we drove through the gate into the private community. There are about 4 homes here. It's a tight-knit community and everybody helps each other out. So the home is situated on both shoals. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large covered porch, which is great for having breakfast or lunch outside. You can open the garage door in the kitchen and have that nice view of the water while you're cooking. And what makes this property special is the land that it's on. The peninsula is a beautiful wooded place where you could build your own home if you choose to, and you would have views on 2 sides of the home. So we're going to go down and check out the water so you can see how close it is to the home. Army Corps has markers or pins in the ground, and they've also have some of the trees painted so you can see that you can't clear anything past these markers. I don't know if you can see it in there. Okay, so these are along the property line. You can't clear anything on this side. So this is the view of the house from the bottom of the hill. Okay, so I'm going to show you the core markers. Way down there. So again, you can clear all of everything up here if you wanted to and be closer to the water. All right, now we are going to make our way up to the peninsula. And remember, this is the section that I told you could build a new home on, and you would have lake views on 2 sides of the home because the tour markers, because of their location. You need to see the property up here. Okay, there is a tour marker right there. See the water? This whole section can be cleared. And you guys can see how close we're getting to the water right now. This is such a beautiful piece of property. Okay guys, we just came up the hill and we were originally on this side. Right now, I am standing in the center of the peninsula. So that side is the exact same way. Hoping that this gives you a better idea of, what is available right here. This is a nice piece of property, and you can clear it all the way to the core markers, like I said, and then you're going to have views on this side, and you're going to have views on this side. All right, let's go back to the house and check it out.
Okay, so the Dawn Road is right here. And the dock road is directly behind the house. So we're going to go this way and check it out now. The homeowners have also placed a lot of solar lights out along the drive. So in case you come down here at night, it's a nice little walk back, you know. So let's go check out the dock. Look at this. Your own private 2-slip dock right by your house. And then over there on the other side of this grass and the trees is the peninsula that we just saw. This is a new dock. It was built 2 years ago. And this is the cove. As you can see, this is all concrete. Super easy to clean, low maintenance. No splinters. This is an all steel dock, so you don't have to worry about any of the wood rot that comes with the wood decking. This is a wet step ladder, and it makes it super easy to get in and out of the water. So the slips are 12 by 28, makes it super easy to pull your boat in. You're not going to have to worry about, bungee boating it in. We also have the slips here, these fingers. On some of the older docks, you'll find that they'll just have a very thin piece of metal, and you kind of have to balance your way on it to get into the boat and tie it, release out, whatever you need to do. Whereas this has plenty of space for you to walk over here and access your boat for your destiny. One little quick note I forgot to mention is that the homeowners have a contract with a marina, and they will come over and they will handle all of the boat dock moving or maintenance or whatever you need. Alright guys, we've made it back to the house, and this is the 80 by 10 square foot porch. It's covered. As you can see, they also have fans throughout the porch, and they also right now have lights on, so it's really nice when you're pulling in at night and it's all lit up. If you look this way, that is the front of the property that we drove along at the beginning of the videos and along the edge of the water. This feature, this garage door, if you're inside cooking, you can open this up and have lake views right there while you're cooking. It's beautiful. And family, friends can sit here while you're cooking. And we also have the dock, which was right over here down this dirt road, right there in the corner. All right, let's check out the second driveway. It's a nice circle over here. There's also security cameras, so you can monitor who's coming to your home. But also remember that it is, a gated community, that all the neighbors know each other. It's a tight-knit community. And this. And there we go. This property is very unique in the fact that it has half a mile of shoreline. It has a private dock that is, on your property, very close to get to. The home is beautiful. It has the nice garage, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. The garage is big enough to hold all of your toys. So very low maintenance, lake living at its best.